How to make pom-pom tulle hair bow. Materials: 160 centimeters x 9 centimeters soft tulle fabric, 17 centimeters fold over elastic
I've been walking on
hard
pins
cloth,
and
needles and thread,
across the
glue gun
forest
and
floor.
glue stick, and scissors.
I've been walking
Fold the
for
soft
days
tulle
and
fabric
nights
in half
now,
and then
just
sew it.
back and forth, just back and forth.
Lock the thread so that it will not loose. Sew it until the end.
I've been dreaming on pins and needles, looking for the signs. I've been dreaming for light years, baby, turning my mind, turning my mind, turning my mind.
Connect both ends and lock.
Holding on to that ribbon, threaded through an eye.
Make it into an pom-pom
I'm
look.
living on pins and needles, one day at a time, one day
Put
at
hot
a
glue gun into the
time,
hard silk cloth and
one
fold
day
over
at a
elastic.
time. I've been working on pins and needles, patching up the sky. I've been working for a month of Sundays, climbing so high, climbing so high, climbing so high, holding on to that ribbon.